All right, so this is the Bosch 6-inch sander, and I have a medium pad on it. I've been using this in my shop for about 4 years now, and this thing is a workhorse. A couple of features I like about it are on the side, you can switch from random orbit when you're doing your finishing job, which has a smaller stroke pattern, or you can switch over to turbo, which is has a larger stroke pattern if you're trying to do like stock removal. So that's a feature I like about it. On the back, another one is the variable speed. It goes from 1 to 5. So if you're doing a little delicate work, you can dial that down. Dust collection on it is pretty good. It has the pad that has all the extra holes in it, not just the 8 around the center here. So it does a pretty decent job of dust collection. And the balance, the other thing I like about this is the balance. So that is sitting by itself. And I'm just holding the cord up because the cord does tilt it back a little bit. But when you're sanding this thing, it does a pretty good job of just staying balanced by itself, especially with the hand here, that you don't have to hold it flat. It stays flat kind of by itself, which is very nice. It doesn't heat up. The motor and the handle here, it doesn't heat up. It's pretty good. I've run this thing for a 30 or 40 minute sanding job, on and off, and it's very good. The dust extraction's good on it as well, and it's been a workhorse in my shop for many years, and I think if this thing were to break, I would replace it with the exact same model. The BOSCH GET75-6 is this model number. Great sander.